What's up, you guys? It is currently 10 o'clock right now, so we're about to go to Cane Creek. I'm just gonna make myself a little sandwich, so let's go ahead and make my little sandwich. So just gonna spread this all over my sourdough like that. So good. So I changed my shirt real quick. We are about to leave right now, so I'll see you guys at Cane Creek. Keep walking.
Okay. A bridge.
A bridge.
Oh, I was thinking.
You were thinking? What were you thinking about?
You.
Me?
Oh.
Ew, it looks like blood right there. Guys, so we're here at Cane Creek. We're just walking. We're about to walk this whole thing. I think it's about 2 miles. I think. I don't know. But we're just gonna walk a little bit and exercise. Alright guys, so if you guys have not worked out today, right now is the time to get your ass up and go take a walk or a run. But you gotta move your body. She's over here working out with me. Alright y'all, I think we're like halfway around the trail. We're gonna do one more, so. It's too hard. Alright you guys, so we went around the whole thing already, so right now we're about to go around one more time just to burn a little more calories. Reminder, if you guys have not worked out today, get your ass up and go work out. Alright you guys, so we are going on our second round. Don't forget to take a sensitive. See reality.
Small turtles and a small turtle.
That's the baby turtle.
A turtle.
A turtle.
Look at this swimming.
Alright you guys, we're taking a little 5-minute break. I'm so tired,
And then
but we
the
gotta keep
monkey